Good morning, guys. I made a large sprouting tray, and this is a gallon. I cut the top off so the second layer can sit on top of that. That's how it works. That's among beans I am sprouting. It is 6 days ready, and this seems to be ready. And so, by the way, this is what it looks like. I use an ice pick. You know, you just heat it up in the burner and then just poke the plastic and boom. It was fun, and it's very so you can see it's very clean. There is no sharpness. It was fun to do it. And here is the mung beans. Now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the mung beans. I do rinse the mung beans twice a day. And I'm gonna go ahead and upload a video about how I make the sprouting tray. See how that drains well? This is what you like. This is what you need to have, a sprouting tray that drains well. Rain on! Isn't that pretty? So I have a 4 sprouting tray, and I punched a hole on 3 of them, and the 4th one, let's look at the 4th one. So the 4th one, the bottom, which is the bottom, you leave it alone. You don't punch a hole because that's where your reservoir. That is the reservoir. Okay, this is your reservoir, and you put the very first layer of your mung beans, and then the second one. Right now I do not have anything on the second one. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like if I had any seeds in there. This is what it looks like. And the very top one, I have this the top, but I only have like a few holes. Let's look at the holes. See, there's only like 6 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they are able to breathe. You don't punch a hole just like I did with the bottom one on the second one. So this is what my sprouting tree looks like. This is great for big family. If you want to make a sprouting tray for a large family, this is very perfect for that. So anyways, I think they are ready. I've got so much to eat now. Right, thank you for watching Aurora's vlog, guys. Bye bye.